Tanungin ngayon natin yan. Pero we have run out of time for our hearing this. Kanino kay Presidente?
Until now, sir.
Okay.
Until now.
Can we excuse the President? Okay. Sige, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Thank you for attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir. Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong iparelax po, Mr. President.
Ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito, and I can talk publicly. Alam naman lahat ng mayors yan, kulang talaga ang suporta. Ang pulis ko, hanggang sweldo lang yan. May mabagutos, walang gasolina, walang pang-follow up.
Mr. President, Mr. Chairman, I think it's majority of the members of this committee, Senator Robinson Padilla, Senator Bongo,
Yes, I
yours
understand.
truly,
I understand.
Even Senator Villanueva, would like to excuse the President
Yes, okay.
from
We
this hearing.
suspend so that the President can...
Ayaw ko kasi there are so many questions that would be left unanswered.
We suspend our hearing.
Sir, pag wala ng question,
Tapusin natin itong putang inang problema ng Pilipinas. Kasi maraming problema. Sabi na kasi public case. Ang gabi. Pinapit mo ng gobyerno. Maraming sabihin sa publiko. Maraming problema na hindi nasasagot ng putang inang gobyerno na to. Sayang gasolina. Walang gasolina. Operation, walang pera yan. Alam mo, nagkasulang police.
Ito wala ng mic.
Wala, hindi na marinig eh. Pinatay ata doon eh.
Buti talang ako yung mayor. Ayan sila. Puro siya po yung mga
Pinatay na yan.